Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. We are going to attempt Canonless for the first time in Mario 64. Like and subscribe. Yeah! Alright, let's see. Let's see if this is as hard as everyone says. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm famous for doing 70 McNuggets, 70 star video. So yeah, go check that out, will ya? Alright guys, here is how you do Canonless. You jump while you're clipped in on the board, drop down to hang off, do a backflip, switch the camera over to the left twice, punch, then you hang down, switch the camera right, left, go up, and then you hold down immediately and you should grab the star. I did it! Canonless, baby! Yeah! Hey, let's go, baby! Where's Labubu? Somebody call! Holly! Let's go, baby! Yeah!